Happy June! Thank you for clicking on my tutorial. I'm going to show you how you're going to get this look. Personally, I opted for the extra layer of concealer just to show off the pigment of the shadows. This is an optional step. Using the rich red shade, I take on this shadow and try to pack it on the outer corner of my eye, trying to smoothly blend it in, trying to get it to fade a little bit before I get to the middle. I felt it was necessary to combine a darker orange to a very light orange because I felt like when blended together it resembles that nice like fruity orange shade that you typically get from a rainbow. If it was one shade that I had to do the extra concealer layer for, it would be the yellow. I really wanted the yellow to pop, so I'm really packing it in and making sure that the concealer is highlighting this. So I wasn't feeling satisfied with how the colors are showing, so I added another layer of concealer and just added that same blend of orange and added a hint of yellow. Going in with the very deep purple from this palette, I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the red and start from the outer corner of my eye and start to move in. However, I will be going in with a more pinkish shade when transitioning from the purple to the blue. After I put all the shadows on, I'm just going to take a blending brush and try and blend the top of my crease out for when I'm putting on the highlight on my brow bone. I'm going to take the shades Telepathy and Liberty from Colourpop's Super Shock Shadow collection, and I'm going to put that as the first layer of eyeliner before going back in with a thinner layer of classic black eyeliner underneath. Now is the part where I remove my tape. There is some fallout to correct, but after that I go in with foundation, bronzer, lipstick, and all the full face stuff, and then the look is complete. Hope you enjoy, and I hope you have plenty of success trying this at home.